Pull over. So that's the E85 stuff? Damn.
All this is just E85.
All that?
Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Just showed up here at Alex's place and he's basically got his own gas station. Look at that. His car is tuned for E85. I'm learning all about this ethanol stuff because, I mean, we can get it back where I live, and I would imagine it's probably something like this, but I can't get a tune on my car to run it all the time because it would just be a freaking nightmare. We do, however, get 94 octane at like every Chevron in Canada. So that's pretty cool because they don't have that here. It's like this weird gap, hey? It's like you guys have 91 and then you have nothing till 100?
At some gas stations you have 100, but it's $10 a gallon, so.
So you get 91 for the most part.
91 for the most part, yeah.
Weird, and we get 94 like everywhere.
And 85.
And, oh, and then yeah, of course, yeah, this stuff. Look at this, got its own little thing. All right, so today we are heading to this racetrack to do basically half-mile runs, right?
Yeah.
Fired up. I'm gonna drive the RS7. Alex is obviously taking his Huracan. So we're gonna hit the road here real soon. What do you guys think? RS7? It's a pretty sick freaking sedan. It's got like an aggressive front end to it. Audi did a good job on this. You have to bring this much? You'll go through all this?
Yeah.
So how much is one of these?
What, the fuel?
Yeah,
5
like
gallons?
this thing. That's what that is, 5 gallons?
Yeah, it's 5 gallons. Each one of these are 5 gallons, and they're really cheap. They're like $2.50 a gallon, so.
Oh.
Yeah. Ethanol is like one of the cheapest types of fuels you could get.
Didn't know that, didn't know that.
Best. But then you also use a lot more ethanol than gasoline. So you go through your tank like it's nobody's business.
So do you blend this with the actual gasoline?
Some people do, some people don't. My car is tuned for 50% ethanol, 50%.
Oh, okay.
91, so.
Gotta get the details here, just so I don't like, you know, top up his car with 87. Just joking. I like how your garage is full of like destroyed tires also.
Just don't drive it like a race car.
Yeah. I'm driving a freaking rolling bomb here. Called the wife this morning, up the life insurance. Cold start of the RS7. Apparently it's loud. Holy. All right. Fire it up, get some heat in it. All right, you guys, here we go. We're off on the road. Listen to this thing. This is the RS7. Ready? This thing is absolutely nuts. Listen to this. Oh, what a beast. So we're off to the airstrip now. I'm not exactly sure. I think it's like an hour and a half drive to get there. So we'll do a couple of B-roll shots, not too much, and then we'll get to the action. You guys, Alex's RS7 is absolutely a monster. What a fun car to drive for a big sedan. Super sporty and nimble, tons of power. I know he's upgraded this thing. It's got like 700 horsepower. It sounds crazy, listen to it. But here's the one downside. It's nerve-wracking to drive this thing with all that fuel in the back. I can hear it sloshing around and I've got fumes. I probably need to crack a window at some point. But listen to it. I don't know if you can hear this. Can you guys hear the fuel? Oh man. Well, I can't wait to get to the airstrip and see him race these cars. What a day we got ahead of us. Gotta get some fuel. Meeting up with the other Alex too. What's up, Alex? You want to trade cars? Bro, I'm seriously, like, I'm pretty high right now. I don't think I could figure anything out. It's so strong in there, bro. Put those in, you don't know how to take them out?
No, I don't.
It's a ratchet strap, so here, watch. So you open this all the way, right? And then you pinch this and pull.
Not so easy, no.
It's supposed to be. It's twisted, that's all. I'm pulling everything there is. Oh, there.
That's all we need. That's all we need. That's all we need.
Cool. Just needed muscles. Cha-ching. All I can smell is gas. Did one of them fall over? Yeah, bro. This one. It's not spilling, is it?
It is smelling.
Shit. I didn't even hear it. I could just smell it all of a sudden. Good thing I'm not a smoker. That's sketch. Yeah, it smells like fuel in here. It's bad. It's bad. Well, this sucks. Look at this, you guys. I thought I left British Columbia to come to sunny California. Racing in this isn't going to be a whole lot of fun. Blech. Maybe it's dry where we're going at the airstrip. Listen to how mean Alex's RS7 is. I've never heard anything like this before. Listen to this. That's... Oh, it's coming in good now. Oh. This is like straight up British Columbia weather. Nobody's racing in this, and it's only getting worse. Guys, look at the visibility. Like, this is pretty low visibility. Not good. Not good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Everyone's slowing down. Well, I don't think this is what we expected. It is nasty out. Look at this. Not what I thought when I was invited to come and spend a day in sunny California watching cars race on an airstrip. This isn't what I had in mind. What's up, man? How you doing?
Racing or spectating?
Racing. All right, got my wristband. Lots of cool cars out here. There you go. Little rev battle. Ford GT. Yeah. Bunch of Supras. Oh, that one's got some freaking slicks on it. Nice. So currently, they're not racing, obviously, due to the weather. And they don't know when they're gonna race. And I asked them about the forecast, and they said, oh, it wasn't supposed to rain this much. It wasn't supposed to rain this long. We looked up the forecast. It says it's gonna rain till 3. This thing's over at 5. You got your PA system?
Yeah. Get in the car.
Right.
Alex is gonna bust us a U-turn here so we can check this out real quick. So we got a couple of supercars here. Now I'm gonna do this just for you guys. Pull up a little bit more, Alex. So yeah, we got a Ferrari F12 with GTS, and we have one bad GT, as you can see by the license plate, but undercover, and a whole bunch of BMWs. That's it. I'm wet enough now. We got some pretty sick Supras here, you guys. Look at this one. See the fender exit exhaust or whatever's going on up there? Is that what it is? He's still got an exhaust on the back. What else we got? R8s, muscle cars. Go closer. Call it the Ferrari to rev some more. Sounds good. We're having a rev off. Family sedan versus supercar. Let's check out this F12. This F12 is pretty badass. We're gonna get a quick look at the Ford GT now. It's up here. It's obviously not gonna run today at all. It's just been too wet. This car is amazing. So sick. Alright, Choi, be safe, have fun. I'll go watch you. So it finally got a little dry and they've opened up the track, but it got windy. Alright, you guys, it's race time. Psyched. Super was lining up to go with the GTR and then something happened. Can't go see, find out. What happened?
It started spewing a lot of oil from the catch can.
Ooh.
And it's dripping on the manifold, so of course it's...
Yeah.
But, I mean...
Oh yeah. That sucks.
I really wanted that GTR also.
You want to take it down?
I wanted to go after that GTR.
What a day. Turned out to be warm in the end. Alex did a run, did 168 top speed. He knew it was slowing him down, so he took the wing off, and it's been just chilling right here. On the ground next to the RF7. I like your wing holders. Rolls of duct tape. That's smart. Alex is gonna race the Supra. Should be pretty interesting. This thing was like two-step, shooting flames out the bottom. How much horsepower does that Supra have?
I have no idea.
Okay guys, who do you think won, the Supra or Alex's Huracan? Top speed, 169. We're about to find out. I can't see that far down the strip. All we know is he hit 169 because it's only doing the top speed in the left lane. Here they come now. We're gonna find out. Alex! What happened? You beat him?
Yeah, I beat him. By a lot? No.
No?
Very close.
Fast car?
Yeah.
How'd it go?
This is fast.
It was faster? Smash the subscribe button, throw us a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for supporting the channel. Peace.